Cable management, or protecting the wires inside your mounting solution, is a huge part of the design. We treat it just as importantly as anything else, like color or the mounting base. You really need to think about how are we going to protect those wires. So to talk about this, I'm going to use our task light that we've been selling for a long time, since the 1950s. Everybody recognizes a desk lamp. This design was designed with an offset coupler at the base with the little quick disconnect sleeve. So this was inspired by air hose quick disconnects. You can simply pull up on that sleeve and take this with you to another area where it's needed. Pulling up on that sleeve, you can set it back down and snap it into place to allow it to rotate. It provides a nice swiveling motion at the bottom end, and with the swivel stop that we've designed into the lampshade, you can also aim that light up, down, any direction that you need to. It provides a lot of motion. But this wouldn't work very well with that wire going straight through the arm if it didn't have a swivel stop. So this swivel bearing allows for 1.5 turns before it's going to prevent any further rotation or damage to that wire. In this design, that offset coupler is needed so that the wire can actually exit the arm, because the coupler itself needs to go onto that mounting stud. But we've recently started using this swivel bearing as a mounting base. There's a few different designs, but just to show you the example, you can still use the same parts and put it into a surface like this to allow for that 1.5 turns of rotation, protecting those cables and allowing cords to pass straight through, also hiding the wires entirely. So this can create a really clean, finished look in any application, and we're beginning to use these all over the place. In medical environments, clinical environments, providing patient care really should be easy and free of distractions. Medical technology all requires some kind of a charging or data cable, and if you have loose or dangling wires, it can be really frustrating or even dangerous, or cause damage to the device itself if those aren't protected. Sometimes you'll see external fastening like cable ties or even Velcro, but that's pretty difficult to clean. And if the wire is wrapped around the device, it just doesn't look good. So anytime that we can, as long as we can fit the wire itself or the connectors through the inside of the flex arm, we really like to go that route. It just creates a nice, clean, finished look for your cable management.